What's the meaning of boldly? Boldly. Boldly.
Boldly. Boldly. The word boldly is an adverb that describes a manner of speaking or writing that is blunt, direct, and lacking in tact or subtlety. When someone communicates boldly, they are being straightforward in expressing their thoughts or opinions without any attempt to soften or sugarcoat them. A bold statement may be considered rude or insensitive, as it leaves little room for interpretation or discussion. However, there are situations where boldness can be effective, such as in conveying urgent information or making a bold declaration. In summary, the term boldly refers to a direct, unadorned style of communication that can be both refreshing and abrasive.